What is going on YouTube? Today what we're going to discuss is how to start ranking your eBay listings. So let's just say you ordered products in bulk because you saw value in them, however you found the product, and now you want to start selling them consistently. So for me, I have 2 products that are selling really well on eBay. I'm moving 1 to 5 products every single day, or getting 1 to 5 sales every single day very consistently. It has been happening for the past month, so it's a very consistent income. It's like $1,000 to $2,000 a month extra that I really don't have to work towards. So I'm going to show you guys how to rank the listings right now. So let's hop into my computer. Okay, so now we're on eBay and we're gonna start talking about how to rank your listings. So as you can see, look at this listing. They're selling this mini projector for $42.90 or $85. They've sold 932. Let's do the math on that. That is about almost a $40,000 listing. So that's pretty freaking crazy that they've done that. Literally one product ranked second, not even first on this. Well, yeah, they're actually organically first. That one's sponsored. But how do we get here? How do people get here? Because this started with 0 sales. This listing was once a new listing, but why is it dominating all these other ones? And I'm going to talk about that right now. Okay, so basically what you want to do when you're going out there trying to rank an item, this isn't going to show you guys how to find a winning product. This is just going to show you guys how to rank your eBay listing. Okay, so for me, I have 2 products that are ranked on first page of eBay that sell 1 to 5 per day on each item. Okay, so I make anywhere between like $5 to $100 every single day on eBay, and I really don't do much. It kind of just varies. Some days it's high, some days it's not. On average, I'm doing like $1,000 to $2,000 every single month in revenue, so that's pretty sweet. But I'm ranked very highly, so every single day I do make sales. Haven't had a dry day in a while, but I'm ranked highly. So let's just go and check out this listing right here. Okay, so if we are selling this product and we want to rank, what do we do? First, you have to take note of their images. Okay, they have great images that demonstrate what the product is, and they showcase exactly how big it is, what you can do with it, and what it comes with. That is a huge key. People don't want, take the guesswork out of everything. Make sure they understand exactly what they're getting. That's kind of number 1. Number 2, buy these things. Like when you have little like mini descriptions and stuff, not even mini, like subtitles. Yeah, that's what they're called. When you have subtitles, take advantage of it. It's literally like $1 or $2. Just do it because it will allow your listing to stand out. I'll show you right here. So these ones, so as you can see, most of these don't have a subtitles, but then these do. As you can see, you know, U.S. local shipping, mini size, priority shipping, best quality, low price. So even if they're not the lowest price, they can say that because it's a subtitle and they can just do that. They can really write whatever they want. But then you come down here. I haven't looked at this listing ever. This is the first time looking at it. I'm gonna guess they have a big description. Yeah, I called this 1000%. So basically, what I've skimmed over it. This is exactly how my listings go, though. I basically sell the product right here. I tell them what the product is, specifications, what it is, like the little stats on what the product is, what it's made out of, what it does, and all that stuff, and then what the packages include. So literally, this is exactly what I do. And then for one of my products, there's like a little tutorial on how to use it because it's a product that you have to put to use, and there's like a little tutorial, not a tutorial, just like a 5-step process on how to properly operate the product. I'm not going to say what it is, but you get the gist of it. So you want to just make sure that they know what they're getting, why they're getting it, what it comes with, and the specifications, what sort of, you know, what specs are in the product, so they know what it is, so they can either price check, or if it's the one that they want, sweet, or dimensions, maybe if it fits on their desk properly or something like that. So you want to make sure that they know exactly what they're getting. And now that's all fine and dandy, but this still won't rank you still won't rank like this, okay? So you see they're ranked number 1 on eBay for mini projector, but that's not how they got here. I can almost guarantee this. So there's a few ways you can go about doing this. You can open up your eBay store, start running sponsored ads, get sales, and then you will rank. Or what you can do, what I do. So basically what I do is I will throw up a listing, and let's say the average price is like $40 for this product, and I buy it for $20, and shipping, it costs me $5 to ship. Okay, so I'm in at $25. eBay fees are 13%, so let's just say I can sell it for $30, and I'll make about like a few dollars profit. Okay, like let's just say $2 or $3 profit in the beginning. So I would do that right now so that I can rank my listing, and then basically what I do is I every single day I increase the price by a few cents. So let's just say I have it listed at $30 in a week. It will end up being, let's just say, $33. And I just keep doing that because people, so here's like two things are going to happen. You're going to get watchers on your listing. I think it'll tell me how many watchers there are. Will it? I actually am not sure. But basically what will happen is you'll get people watching, so people will just click this because they're like, oh, well, let's see if the price fluctuates or something. I see it's a good seller. I want to buy from them, but maybe they'll have a sale and then I'll buy it on the sale. So that could be sweet. I will sometimes drop my price just so I can get people to buy because it will happen. But what will happen is, let's just say it's already at such a low price, like the average sale price is $42.85. Let's say ours is at 33, and now we increase it to 34, and then 35, and then 36. And then you're going to have people like, oh crap, well, I'm watching this and I don't see it going down. I see it going up, so I should just buy it right now. And that happens. And then what happens is, as long as you're shipping it out quickly, as long as you're not getting returns and a ton of complaints and, you know, want to get people as long as you don't have customers wanting to get refunds, you will rank well. So make sure you're doing product quality checks and all that stuff. Even if you have to open the package, as long as you're not using the product and it's still brand new, make sure the quality is good on the products, or just open up a few before you're actually going to start selling them to make sure it's good. Maybe test the products and stuff if it is good. But yeah, that is honestly like how you can rank eBay listings. It's not too hard. I thought it was some magical thing, but literally all you would have to do is have an enticing title that has tons of keywords that people may search, and then make sure your description has keywords that people will search. So obviously have the title in your description, and then there are some other strategies like lowering the price in the beginning, then slowly raising them, having sponsored posts. But this is just a general video talking about how I'm ranking my listings. I do this exact same thing literally every single day. This is, well, not every single day I do this, but this is how I've ranked my listings. There are a few terms you can literally search up if you knew what I was selling, and you'll see my listing at the top, and you could find my eBay store very easily. But fortunately for me, I'm not telling you guys what products I'm selling. I have in this thumbnail, it will show my I believe 60-day sales though, and this is off of 100% 2 products that I sell, so it's pretty sweet. The products literally can both fit in the palm of my hand, so they're super cheap to ship as well. It cost me like $1.50 or $2 to ship each product, so very low cost to fulfill, and I'm making quite a bit. So hope you guys all enjoyed that video. If you did, smash the like button and comment below if you guys got value from it. If you guys do not know already, I have an iPhone reselling course, but it is going to be changed so much. So basically what's happening is I've seen a ton of value in iPhone reselling. I make a solid amount with it, but I think people will get tons of value when I actually make a course that showcases exactly how to create the lifestyle you want. So originally it was just started off as a little iPhone reselling course, right? 200 bucks, that's it. Now what I'm basically doing after 24 hours of this video is up, I'm actually going to be shutting it down for a solid month to 2 months. And what's gonna happen is I'm going to be working very hard on creating content for both, you know, iPhone reselling. There's a ton of content on there already, but I'm gonna start expanding, okay? I'm gonna start doing eBay, how to find winning products and start ranking your listings more efficiently and more in-depth, because this was kind of just a general video. It's how to do it, but it's not as in-depth. And then I'm gonna be creating affiliate marketing videos, how you can do that, how you can create a personal brand and make 6 figures with that, how to make a YouTube channel and start monetizing your passion. If you guys have a passion for anything, how you can actually monetize it and start ranking your YouTube videos. Basically just how to create a life that is fulfilling. So this course is going to be growing super quickly, and the price also is going to be growing super quickly. So right now is actually going to be the last time you're going to be able to get in for $200, and then I'm shutting it down, literally turning it off, to where all the students who are already in will have access to the content that's already in it, plus the content that I actually add within the next month and 2 months and near future for lifetime. If I add tons of content and it becomes a ginormous course, you guys will still have access to all of it. So there's not really much risk here. You guys will be able to make your money back if you put in work on these business models. It's very simple to do, and I think if you guys trust me and believe in me, I will help you guys transform your life, because I am living a great life right now. It's very fulfilling. I've moved out at 18. I have bought a BMW M3. I have an awesome setup for my work. I'm able to travel. I'm going to Texas for a week.
I've been to tons of countries, and I've lived very well. I'm only 18 and I'm able to achieve quite a bit. So I want to help a ton of you guys out with creating a life you guys actually enjoy. So if you guys want to hop into the course right now, understand right now it's only iPhone reselling content. Even if you're not into that right now, you want to learn maybe affiliate marketing, eBay business, how to start finding products, ranking them, and ordering them in bulk, and then automating the business. I don't put in any work with this eBay business I just showed you. Zero work. I just collect the profits, and that's literally it. Just transfer the money from my PayPal to my bank account, and then I'm done. That's all the work I do on it. If you guys want to learn all of that, it is going to be in the course. Now understand, it will take me a month or two to get all this content out, but once it is, this course is going to be literally insane, and price will probably be anywhere from $500 to $1,000, just because I'm going to be working so hard on it and adding so much content. I'll probably have guest people come in and actually do some videos for you guys, maybe for affiliate marketing and stuff, and how to monetize your personal brand, and tons of stuff like that. So with that being said, hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and guys, again, take advantage of this if you haven't already. If you're already in the course, that's awesome. Congrats to you guys. This is going to be insane. I truly think I'm going to change a lot of people's lives. I'm not doing this so I can make a ton of money. I'm doing it because I now have found out I enjoy helping people take the next step in their life. I enjoy having people reach out to me on a daily basis saying, hey Seb, you helped me go from literally broke, or from being a drug dealer, to now selling iPhones and making $100 every single day in profits. I've had kids that I go to school with now reach out to me and say stuff like that, and it's just awesome to hear. So with that being said, if you guys haven't gotten into the course already, the link will be in the description. There's no discount code. I'm done with those. $200 is how much it's going to cost right now, and you will only get that price for the next 24 hours. After that, it's shut down. You literally won't be able to hop in no matter what. Try to DM me and offer me $1,000. It's not happening. I'm very systematic and I am with my word, so it will be shut down for an extra month or two. I'm going to be grinding with content, and then this course is going to be insane. So hope you guys all enjoyed, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.